Grade 9 Biology, Lesson Tissue, Module 2. Objectives. At the end of this module, you will be able to illustrate different types of simple permanent tissues, recognize the functions of simple permanent tissues. Permanent tissue in plants. In simple words, the permanent tissues in a plant are those tissues that contain non-dividing cells. Their cells are also modified to perform specific functions in the plants. The cells of the permanent tissues are derived from the meristematic tissue. The permanent tissue in plants mainly helps in providing support, protection, as well as in photosynthesis and conduction of water, minerals, and nutrients. Permanent tissue cells may be living or dead. Look at the flow chart. Permanent tissue is divided into simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. Simple permanent tissue divided into parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. And complex permanent tissue is divided into xylem and phloem. Let us learn more about simple permanent tissues. The simple permanent tissues are made of similar cells performing similar functions. These are the basic packaging tissues in the plants. These are also known as homogeneous tissue. They are made up of a single cell type, usually with the same origin, structure, and function. Parenchyma. The cells have an oval or round shape. The cell wall is made up of hemicellulose or cellulose. The cell is thin-walled. The cells have vacuoles and very small nucleus. The protoplasm is living and dense. They are loosely packed and have large intercellular space. Provides support to the plant and present in all parts like stem, roots, leaves, fruits, and seeds. Functions: storage of food and water. Look at the image. We can see transverse section of parenchyma and longitudinal section of parenchyma. Modifications in parenchyma tissue. Sometimes parenchyma tissues also contain chlorophyll and perform photosynthesis. This type of parenchyma tissue is known as chlorenchyma. In aquatic plants, parenchyma is modified into aerenchyma. Aerenchyma is a tissue having large air cavities which provides buoyancy to the plants and help them to float. Collenchyma. Cells are long and thick-walled. The cell wall is made up of cellulose and pectin. These cells are living cells and have an elongated shape. The corners of the cell wall are thickened. There is very little intercellular space present. The collenchyma tissue can be located in the leaf stalks below the epidermis. Its main function is to provide flexibility to the plants as well as mechanical support. This is a diagram showing transverse section and longitudinal section of collenchyma. Sclerenchyma. The tissues are dead, which makes the plant hard and stiff. Example: husk of coconut. Structurally, they are long and narrow. The walls of the cells are thick due to the presence of lignin. They lack intercellular space. These tissues are present in stem, covering of seeds, nuts, around the veins of the leaves, around vascular bundles. These provide mechanical support and rigidity to the plant part. This is a diagram showing transverse section and longitudinal section of sclerenchyma.